I wish I could see you in person. That would be a lot more fun. But I like making these videos. I hope you like them too. I hope they're fun for you. Oh, fun and friends. My fingers. Uh-oh, I think we're going to meet the letter F. F for friends, fun, fish, flowers, foot, French fries, French toast. So right now we're going to make the letter F. But before we do, I think I forgot. Oh, forgot another F word. I think I forgot to show you how to make the A when we did the letter A. So I'm going to quickly make the letter A for you. Oh, for another F word. And then we'll make the letter F. And we have a couple activities for fun and some fruit to eat and a story to read too. The foot book. So let's get started. And first I'm just going to do the letter I forgot to make for you. The letter A. I'm going to go slanted out and down, and left to right. That's the big A. And the small A, you go around, start at the top and go around. Almost looks like a C, up, back, down, up, monkey tail. So we'll do that again. Slanted down, slant, and this is straight and this is slanted. So it's slanted both ways and then left to right. That's the capital A and the small A. Go halfway around, then up, back, down, monkey tail. So that was for last week. So this week, when we're making the letter F, we're going to go straight down, left to right, and that's the big F. And the small F is a hook and down, and a line, not at the top, right in the middle. The small F. Now we're making the sound of F. You can go like fan, put up finger that begins with F. If you put it here and you're making the F sound right, it'll be like a fan on your finger. Fan. Try that. Fan. Foot. Flower. Fish. Okay, so that's F. And I made some things that you could make for activities. I traced my foot. I did it before, so you could see it. And I made it a flowery foot. You could make it a funny foot, a fancy foot. You could do whatever you want. You could put faces on it and trace your foot, have your mom or dad or brother or sister help you, or you put your foot down and trace around it. And then you could fill it in any way you want. So that's F for flowery feet. That's what I did. And then you could write whatever you did with facey feet, funny feet. And then I made a funny face. You can see how you can make a funny face. And why did I make a funny face? Because funny begins with F and face begins with F. So, and now we're going to sing, we're going to say a little poem first, actually. April showers bring May flowers. April showers bring May flowers. Oh, showers and flowers rhyme. And flowers are starting to come up. So April showers, meaning all the rain, helps to bring May flowers. And we're coming to the month of May. Then, the other thing I thought we could do for food, you could make some French toast. And I made some fancy fruit dip. And I used yogurt and a little bit of honey. And then I tried to cut my apples to make them look like a flower, make them look fancy. And you can dip your apple slices or any kind of fruit you want in your fancy fruit dip made with yogurt and honey, and it makes it taste very fancy and makes it fun to eat, and that's good for you. And I don't know if you have French fries at all, but that's 2 F words too, French fries. The other thing I thought I'd do is I did a poem for you. April showers bring May flowers. And now we'll sing, we'll say a little poem, but we'll kind of sing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Fish begins with that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to let it go again. Why did I let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. So wait, should we do that again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. And fish and fingers begin with F, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 begin with F. The letter F. Now, we're going to read the Foot Book. There's the cover, and here's the title, The Foot Book by Dr. Seuss. And I picked that, I bet you know why, because foot begins with F. Okay? The Foot Book. And there's the title page, The Foot Book by Dr. Seuss. He's the author. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Feet in the morning, feet at night. 1 you call a foot, and 2 are your feet. Feet in the morning, feet at night. Left foot, left foot, left foot, up, right foot. Wet foot, dry foot. High foot, low foot. Front feet, back feet. Red feet, black feet. Love the feet. Left foot, right foot. Feet, feet, feet. Look at all those feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 feet. How many feet you meet? Slow feet, quick feet. Trick feet, sick feet. Oh. Up feet, down feet. Here come clown feet. Small feet, big feet. Here come pig's feet. His feet, her feet. Fuzzy fur feet. In the house and on the street, how many feet you meet? Lots of feet. We could count these. 1, 2, point to each one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A lot of feet. Up in the air feet. Over the chair feet. Did he jump over that chair? Oh, more and more feet. 24 feet. Here comes more and more and more Left foot, right foot, feet, feet, feet. Oh, how many feet you meet. You could count all the feet in your family. And you could make a picture of your family, which is another F word. Oh boy. And for our last activity, now we're going to do the last activity. This is just kind of a fun one, and it's not too fussy, and you don't make much of a mess either. So it's kind of a fun one for a change. Just make a stem, and you can make some leaves any way you want. And then I'm going to take a little paintbrush, and I have little dots of little yellow, doop, 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 and a little orange, and a little red. You could just use a couple colors, a lot of colors, whatever way you want. Now, the secret that it keeps your hands from getting dirty, you put some not dirty, full of paint, but it's fun. You could also finger paint, which use your fingers, and that's a lot of fun too. This one, I'm going to take some wax paper, and I'm going to put it over my flower, and then I'm going to take my finger, and I'm going to press the paint together, and I'm going to move it, and I might want to put a little bit more on. I didn't put too much on, so I'm going to take it off for a second, and I'll put it right back on. I'm going to make it a few more bigger. I don't want it too big because I don't want it to spread all over, but I want it to be pretty. But put some yellow of that. Then I'm going to take the wax paper again, and I'm going to put it on. And then I'm going to take my finger, and I'm going to blend the colors in. And it kind of comes like a flower called a pansy, or just a colorful one. There's a little more to this though. You have to let it dry just a little bit. So you're going to put it by the windowsill, or you can just put it on your table just like that. And when it's dry, the wax paper is going to come off, and it's going to make it kind of shiny because the wax comes off the paper and onto your flower. So you could experiment. And if you don't want to make a flower, you could just finger kind of paint over the wax paper any way you want. So that would be your flower. You could write in it, you could make a card, you could give it to your mom, you could give it to your friend, and whatever you want, or you can hang it up. Let it dry and then peel it off and see what you get. And look, my hands are free to paint. So that's all I have for today. But I will see you soon. I'm going to wave goodbye with my fingers and say I'm going to miss you and hope to see you soon.